Some brief people, meet your crazy boy, Wavy Austin. You all know the face, you all know the name. But if you don't, you better find out. In today's video, guys, it's a special day. And I feel like it's gonna be an amazing day, my beautiful people. So today, we're at the beach, as y'all can see. We're at the beach. So I'm not rolling alone, I'm rolling with my fam and the nigga, you feel me? So before we get into the video, guys, I need y'all to like the video, comment down below what you're thinking, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers, as y'all can. After the fit, check. We got the Puma flippers. Now, what is called? I don't know what them called. And we got them Nikes. Hey, we got them Durex. Ha! The boy is feeling. What's the goal? Let's 66. People, as y'all can see, I got this nigga. Yeah, I got this nigga. What's up, nigga?
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Okay. Like, give me the drip. What you rocking today?
Just like Jonathan B.
Yes, those J's this, they jizz. He's this, they jizz.
Oh my god.
He's this, they jizz.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Okay, as y'all can see, Hellcat, hey, SRT, you need that dodge. I feel you. Yes, say hi.
Hi vlog. Please make sure that you like, you subscribe, you share, and please drop a comment so that when we drop another video, we know what you like.
Yes, road to 1,000 subscribers.
Road to 1,000
subscribers by the end of this year.
Yeah, so please show some
pretty love.
Yeah.
What you rocking today?
So today, this is the outfit of the day.
Yes, looking pretty.
You can see we are happy. Brought some snacks.
For the fish day. Please say hi to my vlog, please.
Hey. Hey vlog.
That's my granny. That's my mama. Granny, please say hi to my vlog, please. How are you feeling today?
Good. to enjoy myself.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go and change. And then feel the beat
Pretty
of
good.
the wave.
Yes, to the vlog. Eva, say hi to the vlog, please. Say hi to the vlog. Eva, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Hey, Lutz, please say hi to my vlog, please. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling ecstatic.
Excited?
Oh
Hell
my
no.
God,
Okay,
dog.
what you rocking
Hell
today?
no, man.
Whatever.
Rocking today? It's a beach day, yes?
These shoes. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know the brand, but I'm rocking this cardigan, these shorts. I don't know the brand. And then I am wearing this swimming costume that I will be swimming with.
Okay.
I also don't know where it's from because it has many years since it has been bought, so I'm not really sure. And I have this bandana.
Yes, of course.
So yeah, man.
Tell them to subscribe to the channel.
please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share the video. Support
Yes.
my boy. That's
Wavy Austin.
period.
And road to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Yeah, one person. Beautiful people, let me tell you something. Like, last week, I was standing right here. I still remember the day that I was here. On a scale like 1 to 10, I can give y'all 10 of a 10. Let me show y'all niggas her. Dwa. Okay, that's home. My brother. Would like to keep my mouth shut. My right there. I'm trying to flip at the day. Isa. Come on. Isa, come on. Yes. You mind? Right, so what's up to my YouTube?
What's up?
I'm trying to vlogging up the day, you feel? So like make sure you all subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. YouTube, Instagram, you can shout out your socials.
Nice. Beach.
The beach, yeah, it's nice. I'm trying
Except
to
for the river, yeah.
Yeah. Yo, it's too cold. The river is too cold. Oh, can I teach you something about my language?
Yeah.
You know, Kosa?
Yeah, we learned about it in school.
Or do you all an instant paper on your kids at home?
Yeah.
Okay. Food tech. Food tech.
Let's go away, doesn't it?
Yeah. Go away. Okay. Let me think up.
No idea what that means.
Be waiting, man. Say asibabi, man.
He's a Bobby, man.
Asibabi.
He's a Bobby.
Okay.
Oh my God, bro.
Like
Hell
I did that.
no, man. What the fuck, man?
Asibabi.
This is a Bobby.
You know what that means?
No.
It says you're all handsome. Yeah. See ya. What's up, my friend? Yeah.
On YouTube.
Yes.
No.
I see Bobby.
You know that means?
Handsome.
Yeah.
Handsome. Subscribe to Wavy Austin's channel, guys.
Yes. Oh, I'm first.
To something, okay, you're up to something. Shine, come, I feel like you're up to something.
As y'all can see, today, this video, guys, it's all nice. It's chilling. We're chilling. So it's a calm little vlog. So my beautiful people, just you know, like I don't know what to say, but as y'all can see to the video that we vibing. We try to make memories. Say hello. Hello vlog. Say subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, cool, nothing much. Please, as y'all can see, as y'all heard my little sister, subscribe to the vlog. Subscribe to the channel, please. Trying to make real coins, because beautiful people, I think this is the end of the video. If you enjoy until this far, please make sure you like the video, comment down below what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Go to 1,000. Thank you.